5 degrees in the metro. It's cool. Winds out of the north at 7 miles an hour. We're definitely in a little bit of a cold pattern at this point. We will warm up throughout the week, though. Temperatures, though, already very cold in places where we have snow cover. 16 in Taos, 10 in Raton, 22 up in Durango. Down across the south, temperatures in the 20s and 30s right now. Temperatures now compared to 24 hours ago are actually significantly warmer across the east side of the state. So we already have a little bit of improvement. In the metro, we're a couple degrees warmer. If you get across the southeast and southwest, just depends. Southwest a little colder, southeast a little bit warmer. Now, as far as cloud cover goes, not much of it tonight. So with dry air in place, no cloud cover, the limited heat that we have escapes out of the atmosphere, and we see the temperatures drop precipitously throughout the night tonight. So look for clear and cold conditions tonight. With a northwesterly flow tomorrow, we're not going to see temperatures spike back up again. So look for temps to remain cool across the area tomorrow. Highs in the 40s here in the metro area, a little bit below average for this time of year, but not overly cold. Then as we get into Wednesday, temps right around where they should be, but the difference will be coming up on Wednesday. We'll see a few more clouds around here as Wednesday into Thursday we get a weak weather disturbance that kicks its way on through. Could we grab a shower? It's possible, but I don't think it's going to be that big a deal. Our best chance for more of a significant storm looks like over the weekend when we could see another system drop down into the southwest. Right now, the track on that is a little bit up in the air, and we're also looking at moisture that could be an issue with this as it comes through. But boy, yesterday's storm and really into Saturday's storm was a pretty good one. So we take a look at the anatomy of a snowstorm in this particular case. And in this situation, what we really had here is cold air and a cold front pushing its way in along with a trough across the state here. Now, as we rolled that really cold air and moisture up the spine of the northern mountains, that moisture was wrung out in the way of big-time snow. So we had cold, wet air pushing up the mountains and dumping that heavy snow across the especially east slopes. And it lasted the real intense snow only lasted for about 8 hours here. But remember, when you have amounts that are really impressive because you have really cold air, so it just takes a little bit of moisture, and that creates a lot of snow. And how much snow did we get? Well, it depends on the elevation. If you're down around Rosciata, about 7,500 feet, they got about 6 inches. Up around Eagle Nest, they got 18 inches at 8,400 feet. And at Top Angel Fire Resort at over 11,000 feet, they got 29 inches of snow. Some huge snowfall numbers, and this is what it looked like across northeastern New Mexico and the northern mountains early on Sunday morning as they had some serious snow. And pretty cool shot from Rosciata with, of course, well, the snow piling up on the wagon wheel. 45 in Durango, 43 Pagosa Springs, and 39 in Alamosa. Mostly sunny skies, cold conditions on the way, especially to start the day tomorrow, then warming up throughout the afternoon hours. Northwest, well, a lot of sunshine on the way and northwest winds. 10 to 15 miles an hour. Temperatures mainly in the 40s. Across the southwest, sunny and cool here. 50 Silver City, 53 in TRC, and 53 out in Deming. Meanwhile, over to the southeast, plenty of sunshine here. And temperatures remaining in the 40s and 50s. Cloudcroft, though, the cool spot at 39 degrees for tomorrow. Roy at 44. Up around Raton, 43, Springer, 42, and if you get up to Mora, 39 degrees. Meanwhile, across the northern mountains, below zero readings. That'll help the resorts make a lot of snow for the overnight hours and into a good portion of tomorrow morning because it'll take a while to warm up. 40 in Edgewood tomorrow, 43 into Harris, and 42 out in Mountain Air. And finally here in the metro, cool but sunny. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour and temperatures topping out in the 40s and 50s. Your extended forecast will have a little bit warmer temperatures on the way for Wednesday, and then we'll see that weak system kind of kick through late Wednesday into Thursday. Shouldn't be a big deal. Then we'll watch over the weekend for that next storm. No showers yet, but we'll see how that thing ends up panning out. And if you want to talk more on Twitter, we'll do that at KRQE Mark. If you want to share some weather pictures or talk weather in general, we'll do it there.